Hi, everybody. Here is the weekly newsletter for Mr. Bear's physics class. I'm Mr. Bear. So, as you see, still things you need daily: pencils, Chromebooks, Chromebook chargers. We're really going to get into using Chromebooks more. We've used them a few times for sharing data, but not really any assignments yet. That's going to change starting next week. So, we're going to have students learn to graph on Desmos. They've probably done that in middle school a little bit already, or maybe in their math class this year. But they're going to practice graphing relationships on the toy car graphing assignment on Monday and Tuesday. Then we're going to get into motion equations on Wednesday and Thursday, and then continue that into Friday and then following Monday. And that's really our velocity equation. So velocity equals distance divided by time is really the main one, but figuring out like different variables, like if you have time and velocity, knowing that you need to find distance, how to find that. And those will all be on paper. They'll be your student, or you, if you are a student, are expected to take notes, and you should have those in your notebook. Remember, notebooks stay with me, but if you ever need to like do homework and take them home, like I trust students to do that. Yeah, if you need to do that ever, please do that. But we should have plenty of class time. I'm still an anti-homework teacher, so should have plenty of class time to do that. So continuing into the following week would be our ball on ramp lab. So that is getting into more motion equations, but specifically acceleration, and talking about how Aristotle discovered that a ball down a ramp is going faster and faster by timing it with water. And also, I believe he set up bells at one point, so you can hear the bells like go ding, 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 and get faster as it goes down. And then after that, we'll get into gravity, which some students seem pretty excited about. A continuation of ball on ramp is graphing, of course. We graph all the data we find in here. And then Friday, next week, no school for students, but I have to be here and like grade stuff and, do teacher things, printing, blah, blah, blah. Don't feel sorry for me. I can do that for myself. And just a reminder, learning targets are always going to be linked here. We're still working on, most students have shown proficiency, or some have even shown mastery, so getting like B's and A's in graphing. I would say only about 20% need to like do work, and a lot of those students are like students who have missed a lot of time. And then moving into learning target 2 more, even though that's been posted on all of these, learning how to describe and model motion. So modeling motion just means make a graph of motion, which again we're going to do with Desmos, we're going to do on paper, and then also describing motion with words, saying how fast something is going, different words to describe that, and as well as equations. So that's why we do all that work with equations. So that is that for the week, or the next 2 weeks actually. I hope these are helpful. Mr. Bear out. It's been a great year so far, and I hope it stays great. Thanks for listening. Adios.